Hello, one of the things in your assignment for today is to look at this periodic chart that I drew on your assignment. And you are just going to fill out that periodic chart with the ions that belong with each element, okay? And so you're going to look here and let's say hydrogen, hydrogen is not here at the top, so we don't have to fill that one out. But let's see here. We got lithium. Lithium is a +1, and lithium is right here. And so I think the easiest way for you to do it, rather than trying to type it in there, is just to copy and paste. So I'm pretty sure you can do that. Just copy and put it down in here and paste. So I did Control C and Control V to copy and paste. And there it is, copied in there. All right, and then you're going to continue on doing that with all these elements and put them in the spot on the periodic chart where they belong. And so I think I'm just going to do this one next, because one thing you need to be careful if you need to actually have the correct symbol. And so, for example, this one right here, Na, happens to be sodium. All right, and I happen to know that, but you guys might not have memorized that. And so that one is going to go right down here. So Control C, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that down here in the sodium box. Control V, and there we go. And you guys are going to go through and you're going to put the rest of these in the correct spots. If you don't know the name and how the name matches up with the symbol, you need to be very careful to make sure you get the right name matching up with the right symbol. And so go to your periodic chart, and your periodic chart has the names and the symbols both on there. All right, and so you should have this periodic chart open on your computer as you're doing chemistry, probably from now on for the rest of the year, because you're going to be using it. All right, and so going back into here, once you get all of these elements filled into their correct spot in the chart, and it does go onto the other page, then you're going to be answering some questions about what you see on that periodic chart. One last thing about that periodic chart is the periodic chart that you see here, the actual periodic chart. Notice it has all these elements in the middle that we aren't even talking about, okay? We are only talking about these two groups right over here and these two groups right over here, or 6 groups right over there. And there should be a space right down there, but I couldn't make that easily on your paper. So just know that there's a space right there on your paper, and then fill out these elements and go ahead with the worksheet.